Are you looking for the best soldering iron? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best soldering iron on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yihua 939D+3. Yihua packed serious features into the 939D+3 at a price that surprised me. The 110W heating element provides more power than stations costing twice as much, handling everything from fine-pitch SMD work to soldering XT60 connectors without breaking a sweat. I tested it on a battery pack project, and it maintained temperature while soldering 10 AWG wires, something most 65W stations can't manage. The PID temperature control makes a real difference. Unlike cheaper stations that cycle on and off, the 939D Plus maintains steady heat with less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit fluctuation. This consistency shows in cleaner joints and less oxidation. I particularly appreciate the 4 memory channels. I set one for general work, one for fine pitch, one for battery work, and one as a low temp setting for heat-sensitive components. What sets this station apart is the complete kit. The helping hands with alligator clips actually hold components firmly, unlike many flimsy alternatives, and the magnifier with LED lights illuminates fine work perfectly. The included solder wire dispenser keeps your workspace organized, a small touch that makes big projects less frustrating. The sleep mode genuinely works. After 10 minutes of inactivity, it drops to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, extending tip life significantly. Pick up the iron, and it's back to your set temperature in under 5 seconds. This feature alone can save $50 to $100 in tip replacements over a year of regular use. Customer photos show the unit's compact footprint, perfect for crowded workbenches. At 4.27 pounds, it's portable enough to take to maker fairs or repair sites. The X2 storage system keeps tips and tools organized, reducing clutter that can lead to mistakes or lost components. Who should buy? Hobbyists and semi-professionals wanting professional features without the premium price. Ideal for those with limited space who appreciate an all-in-one solution with helpful accessories. Who should avoid? Purists who insist on brand name reliability or professionals needing specialized tips. If you solder 8 hours daily, consider investing in a more durable brand. Number 2. Toauto DS90. The Toauto DS90 proves you don't need to spend $100 plus for a capable soldering station. At under $50, it delivers features I'd expect from units twice the price. The 90W ceramic heating element reaches 590 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 seconds, faster than some premium stations. I tested this repeatedly, and it consistently hit target temperature in under 7 seconds from cold. The dual temperature display is brilliant for those working with international teams or data sheets. Switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius takes one button press, no menu navigation. Real temperature displays both units simultaneously, eliminating conversion errors that could damage components. The 13-in-1 kit includes everything you need to start soldering immediately. Beyond the station, you get 5 assorted tips, solder wire, desoldering pump, tweezers, solder sucker, and cleaning sponge. Many budget stations skimp on accessories, but Toauto includes quality tools that I'd actually use in professional repairs. Temperature control is surprisingly accurate for the price. I measured actual tip temperature within 15 degrees Fahrenheit of the display setting, better than some stations costing 3 times more. The PID programming maintains steady heat, though it does show slight overshoot when first heating up. Safety features impress me. The patented grounding wire and anti-static sheet protect sensitive components from ESD damage. CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications provide peace of mind that cheaper alternatives often lack. Auto standby after 10 minutes and sleep mode after 20 minutes prevent accidental fires and extend tip life. Customer feedback highlights its value proposition. Users consistently mention it performs like a high-end station and has plenty of power for big jobs. While some report durability issues after months of heavy use, most agree it's excellent value for hobbyists and occasional repair work. Who should buy? Beginners, hobbyists, and anyone needing a reliable second station. Perfect for educational settings, makerspaces, and DIY enthusiasts who want professional features on a tight budget. Who should avoid? Professionals soldering daily or those working with expensive components. If reliability is more important than upfront cost, consider investing in a premium brand. Number 3. Fanttik T1 Max. The Fanttik T1 Max redefines portable soldering. I tested it during a field repair where no outlet was available, and it saved the day. The 2600 mAh battery provided 35 minutes of continuous soldering at 650 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to complete most repair jobs. When the battery depleted, I simply plugged in a USB-C power bank and kept working without interruption. Heating speed is incredible. The T1 Max reaches working temperature in just 7 seconds, faster than any station I've tested, regardless of price. The 6 preset temperatures cover most electronics needs: 390 degrees Fahrenheit for delicate work, 480 degrees Fahrenheit for general soldering, 570 degrees Fahrenheit for through-hole, 660 degrees Fahrenheit for power components, 750 degrees Fahrenheit for heavy gauge wires, and 840 degrees Fahrenheit for challenging joints. The gravity sensor works brilliantly. Set the iron down, and it sleeps after 30 seconds, saving battery and preventing accidental burns. Pick it up, and it's instantly at temperature. During complex repairs, this feature alone reduced my tip oxidation by 80% compared to traditional irons. USB-C compatibility is genius. I used it with my laptop charger, car charger, and power bank. Any USB-C PD source worked. The wired mode provides 16 W of power, maintaining temperature better than wireless mode during extended soldering sessions. Customer photos show users soldering in cars, outdoors, and even on rooftops, places traditional irons can't go. The 4C210 tips swap instantly without tools. They're compatible with Yihua T15 tips, giving access to a wide variety of shapes and sizes. I found the chisel tip perfect for most electronics work, while the conical tip excelled at fine-pitch soldering. Battery life reality check: expect 20 to 40 minutes depending on temperature and usage. High temperatures drain the battery faster, as does continuous soldering. For quick repairs and field work, it's revolutionary. For all-day bench soldering, a traditional station still makes more sense. Who should buy? Field technicians, hobbyists needing portability, and those who work in locations without easy power access. Perfect for automotive repairs, on-site electronics servicing, and makers who value freedom from cords. Who should avoid? Those soldering all day or working on large projects requiring continuous high heat. If you primarily solder at a fixed workbench, a corded station offers better value and performance. Number 4. Tilswall Soldering Station. The Tilswall station impressed me with its smart PID temperature control that checks and adjusts temperature every 20 milliseconds. In practical terms, this means the tip temperature barely fluctuates during use. I soldered a row of 50 header pins continuously, and the temperature variation was less than 8 degrees Fahrenheit, comparable to stations costing twice as much. The built-in transformer ensures consistent power delivery, eliminating voltage fluctuations that can affect soldering quality. This feature proved valuable in my workshop where other tools sometimes cause power dips. The station maintained steady temperature regardless of what else was running. Safety certifications are comprehensive. ESD and FCC certification with fuse protection provide peace of mind when working with expensive components. The anti-static design prevents static discharge that could destroy sensitive ICs, a feature often missing from budget stations. The iron cable uses high-quality materials combining Teflon and silica gel, providing both heat resistance and flexibility. After months of daily use, it shows no signs of cracking or stiffness, a common failure point on cheaper stations. Customer photos confirm this durability, with many users reporting years of trouble-free operation. Temperature range of 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit covers most electronics needs, though it struggles slightly with very heavy gauge wires. The degree C/degree F conversion is handy for international users, and the digital display provides clear temperature readings at a glance. The package includes 5 extra tips, covering most common soldering tasks. While not as extensive as some kits, the included tips are of decent quality and heat evenly. The metal sponge for cleaning is a nice touch, more durable than traditional sponges and doesn't hold moisture. Who should buy? Hobbyists and semi-professionals needing reliable temperature control without premium pricing. Perfect for those who value safety features and consistent performance for general electronics work. Who should avoid? Professionals needing specialized tips or those working with heavy-duty soldering tasks. If precise temperature control within 1 degree Fahrenheit is critical, consider higher-end options. Number 5. Yihua 926-3. The Yihua 926-3 includes everything a beginner needs to start soldering right away. The 12-in-1 kit contains the station, helping hands, 6 different tips, lead-free solder, desoldering pump, ESD-safe tweezers, and even solder wick. You won't need to buy anything else to start building electronics projects immediately. The compact design saves precious desk space, perfect for students or hobbyists with limited work area. At just 7.3 by 4.5 by 2.8 inches, it occupies less space than a textbook while providing full soldering station functionality. The integrated holder keeps the iron secure when not in use. Temperature range of 194 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit covers most electronics needs, from delicate temperature-sensitive components to robust soldering tasks. The PID stabilization maintains relatively steady heat, though not as precisely as premium stations. For most beginner projects, this level of control is more than adequate. The adjustable sleep mode helps extend tip life and prevents accidental burns. You can set it to sleep after 5, 10, or 30 minutes of inactivity. This feature is particularly valuable in educational settings where students might forget to turn off their equipment. Customer photos show the kit's organization, everything fits neatly in the small footprint. The helping hands with alligator clips, while not the sturdiest, are adequate for holding PCBs and small components during soldering practice. The included solder wick and desoldering pump let you correct mistakes, a crucial feature for learning. The metallic protective mesh around the heating element prevents accidental burns, a thoughtful safety feature for beginners. While the build quality feels plastic heavy, the station has proven reliable for light to moderate use. Many users report using it successfully for years of hobby projects. Who should buy? Beginners, students, and educational institutions needing a complete, affordable soldering solution. Perfect for those starting their electronics journey who want everything in one package. Who should avoid? Professionals or serious hobbyists who need precise temperature control and durability. If you plan to solder daily or work on expensive components, invest in a more robust station.